Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a Stenner VHJ 105 vertical resaw. This vertical resaw does boast 42-inch wheels. The main advantage of a 42-inch saw is not necessarily the increased capacity, it is the increased feed speeds. Those wheels are 41.5-inch actual, which is going to give you a nominal size of 42. You do have a scraper and an oiling pad on the lower part of that wheel. There is a built-in guard in the door that just simply raises and lowers. If we close this door, you're going to have 15.75 inches of clearance from the bottom of this guard to your tabletop. To open the door up all the way, you do have to remove this wheel. It is simply one bolt on the underside. It just pulls right off. Very simple to do. The roller fence simply glides into place via this hand wheel and will pretty much touch your blade. This roller fence does tilt beyond 45 degrees as well. With the roller fence fully open, you do have 13.25 inches of clearance from the face of those rollers to the right of the blade. Your feed and your front and rear feed rolls are all hydraulically driven. This feed here will give you up to 11.5 inches of clearance from the right of the rollers to the left of your blade. So you do have 11.5 inches. However, there's a caveat to that. That is the max opening with zero spring back. And what I mean by spring back, you do have to have some pressure on your feed rolls in order to feed. So it's not going to necessarily equate to an 11.5 inch capacity. Your hand wheel here is for adjusting that feed. Your foot pedal is to open that feed while it's running. That is hydraulically activated. This is your feed speed. It is very tight to operate it. You actually pull it up while operating and only when operating, and you simply turn it. It's going to adjust your feed speed. Your feed speeds exceed 150 feet per minute on the saw. Again, that is the biggest advantage to a larger motor-sized machine like this. This machine is powered by a single 60 horsepower motor. If we come in and take this front door off, you're going to see the massive lower wheel. And of course, up top here, you do have another scraper and oiling pad. There is an E-stop right below your hand wheel that you can kick. We are going to open your feed side. And again, everything here is hydraulically driven. Extremely robust build quality, I should say. You do have some spare counterweights. Your counterweights are designed to counter your blade for blade tensioning, and it's just dependent on the width of the blade. You do have a foot pedal right here. That foot pedal is going to slow the machine up by about 50%. So if you hit that foot pedal, it is not going to stop instantly. It's just going to reduce the time to about 50%. Up top, you do have a solenoid actuated drip oiler. What that means is that is only going to function when the saw is running. Your starter is on the rear. This came factory mounted like this. We're gonna go turn the saw on real fast. is the max speed. And again, this foot brake will reduce the slow time to about 50%. If you didn't hit that foot brake, it would run for 2+ times what you just saw. The face of those wheels are 4 3/8 inches, which will accommodate up to a 5-inch blade. All the blades we have for this machine are 4 3/4 inches. There are a total of 13 new blades plus the one in the saw. So you've got 6 in this left crate, and you do have 7 in this right crate. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.